Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to use CountA function and what is the usage of CountA function and examples for CountA function. Okay, what is CountA function? CountA function counts the non-blank cells. Okay, uh, this CountA function can give you the number of cells in a list that are non-blank, that has at least value in it. Okay, that value could be anything, a numeric value or a text or combination of both, as well as special characters involved. Okay, so what I have is I have three list, one which is horizontal and vertical, and also a two-dimensional list. Okay, so the CountA function, I'm going to use it on every list and find out what is the value. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use CountA function on horizontal list. Okay, just CountA, give the range. Okay, it could be you can give value one by one value, but you can just pass the overall range. Okay, range of the list. Okay, enter. Now you can see the 15. Okay, what is 15? 15 is number of cells having non-blank values. Okay, you can see in the count function the description. Okay, CountA counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. So non-empty cells, it will give you the non-empty cells. Okay, so how many non-empty cells are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So that is the result here by CountA function. Okay, this non-emptiness could be the cell may contain a number or a text, or it can contain any special characters. Okay, but the cell B and H1 B1, both of them are it's a blank cells, that's why it is not counted. Okay, so the same way we will use the vertical CountA vertical list. Okay, the vertical list also, you just pass the range. You no need to change anything, or no need to tell is vertical list, horizontal list, all this, just to pass the range. Okay, you can see here the vertical also CountA gives 15. Okay, let's check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, totally we have 15 cells that are non-blank. Okay, that are not blank. Okay, okay, what we have here is the two-dimensional array that has 5 columns, 1 2 3 4 5 and 13 rows, 13 into 5, which is 65 cells we have here. Okay, out of 65 cells, we have the orange ones are blank ones, 5 blanks. So totally we have 65 minus 5, 60 non-blank cells. Okay, that cells contain numeric values as well as the text values, as well as the special characters. So non-blank values include all numerical, text and special characters. So it's supposed to be 60. Let's check CountA of this set. Enter, is 60. See, so in situations like you import any text files or anything, and you need to check the data whether it is there any non-blanks inside the data. Okay, if the data set is small, you can just simply view it, but if the data set is very big, is thousands of data, you cannot just drag up to many thousands of records and have a glance. Okay, if for example if it is 10,000 records must be there, then you must put for each field use the CountA function and make sure that how many blanks in between the data in a particular field. This way you can use the CountA function to do the quality check of the data records, or in other words you can also use it in the analysis purpose and also check the non-blank values in the sales records, all those stuff. Okay, and hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and God bless you.